In today's video, I will teach you how to add reptile skin to someone in GIMP. Let's get started. First, launch GIMP and open an image of a lizard, which will be the basis for your reptile skin pattern. Now, we're going to crop the image. To do this, select the crop tool from the toolbar, and in the Tool Options panel, set the aspect ratio to 1:1. Then choose the area that you want to use for your pattern, and make sure it captures the texture that you want in detail. Now press Enter to confirm the crop. Now we're going to enhance the details. To do this, go to Filters, Enhance, then on Sharp Mask. Then adjust the parameters to bring out the details of the texture. Experiment with different settings to achieve the best results for your image. Now we're going to create a seamless tile. To do this, go to Filters, Map, then select Tile Seamless. This will make the pattern repeat smoothly. Now, go to File, then Export As. Then change the file extension to .pat, which is GIMP's pattern file format, and then save your pattern. Now go to Edit, then Preferences, then expand the Folders drop-down menu, and select Patterns. Then click the Show File Location and File Manager button to open the Patterns folder. Then copy your pat file into this folder. Then close the File Manager window, then click OK on the Preferences dialog, then go to Windows, Dockable Dialogs, then Patterns. Then click the Refresh button to load your new pattern. Now we're finally applying the reptile skin to the subject. To do this, load the image where you want to apply the reptile skin effect. Then zoom in on the subject for better precision. Now choose the Foreground Select tool from the toolbox, and in the Tool Options panel, turn on Feathering, then set the feathering value to around 10. Then outline the area where you want to apply the effect. Now use the brush to mark the area, and if you need to remove any part of the selection, use the Eraser tool. Once you're satisfied with your selection, press Enter. With the image layer selected, press Shift-Ctrl-D to duplicate the layer. Then right-click the duplicated layer and select Add Alpha Channel. Then go to Select, then select Invert. Then hit the Delete key to remove the background. Now go back to Select, then Invert again to reselect the area. And finally, we're going to apply the reptile skin pattern. Select the Bucket Fill tool from the toolbox, then set the fill type to Pattern, and choose your newly created reptile pattern. Enable Fill Similar Colors, and then fill the selected area. You can adjust the threshold if needed to cover more area. Then change the blending mode of the reptile skin pattern to Hard Light or Multiply for a more realistic effect. Then experiment with other blending modes if necessary. An optional step is adjusting the colors. If you want to modify the color of the reptile pattern, simply go to Colors, then Colorize, then adjust the hue to your preference. Another optional step is displacing the pattern. To do this, go to Filters, Map, then Displace, and you can tweak the values to blend the pattern naturally with the underlying texture. And that's it! You've successfully applied a reptile skin effect to your subject in GIMP. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.